Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Leadpages for faster landing page iterations step by step clearly. Visit the Leadpages website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click the Get Started button. Choose your desired pricing plan. Fill out the necessary information in the sign-up form. Provide your email address. Create a secure password for your account. Agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Leadpages. Open the email and click on the verification link. Log into your new Leadpages account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Landing Pages tab. Select the Create a Landing Page button. Choose a template that best fits your needs. Customize the template using the drag and drop editor. Edit text, images, and buttons as required. Preview your changes to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click the Publish button. Choose a domain for your landing page. Click the Confirm button to finalize the publishing process. Your landing page is now live. Return to the dashboard to view analytics and performance. Make adjustments as needed for faster iterations. Continue this process for additional landing pages as desired. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.